Hello everyone, welcome to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. The Australian government has modified its immigration laws in a number of ways that would affect foreign nationals and international students. For those who are studying or intend to study in Australia, these updates are essential, since students may better manage the requirements and make well-informed decisions regarding their education in Australia by being aware of these changes. This video examines the implications of the changes to Australia's student visa laws for 2024 and how they will impact the international education scene. The following are some of the changes that affect both new students enrolling in Australian institutions and current students' work permits while studying in Australia. 1. Update to the working hour cap. The highest number of hours you can work in a fortnight as a student visa holder is 48. The interim exemption ended on December 31, 2023, which also applies to those who work in elderly care. Fortunately, study breaks and holidays still allow you to work an unlimited number of hours, which makes them excellent times to earn extra money. 2. New English language requirements. In reaction to a recent study, the Australian government plans to enforce stricter English language requirements on international students. Candidates for student visas must now score at least 6.0 on the International English Language Testing System, IELTS, while those seeking graduate visas must score at least 6.5. It is possible that minimal marks for other English language exams will change as well. Additional details on language requirements can be found on the Department of Home Affairs website. 3. Higher financial proof requirement. In order to qualify for a student visa, prospective overseas students will now have to fulfill a higher financial requirement. Candidates will need to show that they have savings of at least $24,505. The goal of this increase is to guarantee that overseas students studying in Australia have enough money to support themselves. 4. Visa application fee increase. A number of visa categories now have higher application costs for 2024. The fees for applicants are as follows: $635 for a working holiday visa, formerly $510, $190 for a visitor visa, previously $150, and $710 for a student visa, previously $650. 5. Priority processing system. The government made changes to the Student and Student Guardian Visa Priority System known in December 2023. Those planning to enroll in courses at an educational institution designated as Evidence Level 1 will be given priority processing. Additionally, it will apply to all applications for Student Guardian visas as well as those from the fields of education, foreign affairs, defense, and postgraduate research. To be eligible, applications must be submitted from outside of Australia. 6. Reduced post-study work rights. The Australian government has announced a restriction in the post-study employment privileges for overseas graduates in order to assist in dealing with Australia's growing migration. Among the modifications that would affect holders of temporary graduate, subclass 485 visas is the revocation of the extended employment privileges that were declared in July 2023. Furthermore, certain initial visas now have shorter durations, and only those in regional areas are now eligible for temporary graduate visa renewals. In contrast to the former maximum age of 50, candidates must be in Australia to submit their application and cannot be older than 35. 7. No concurrent study. Concurrent study, often referred to as dual study or concurrent enrollment, is the process of enrolling in multiple courses concurrently. Parallel study is not permitted for overseas students, according to regulations implemented late last year. However, students who were enrolled in more than one course at the time the new regulations went into effect are exempt from this. Under the Genuine Temporary Entrant (GTE) criteria, applicants who intend to study in Australia must now deal with a more stringent application procedure that includes tighter financial requirements and more monitoring. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.